Hi everyone, let me show you how to create unlimited gradient backgrounds in Photoshop with this simple trick. Okay, so first off, come down here and create a new layer. Now come to your tools and select the gradient tool. Now open up your gradients and select one of the preset gradients you have. So for this example, I'm going to use the purple ones and let's use this one for our example. Now the trick here is to change the mode from normal to difference. Now click and drag to create your gradients. Click and drag to create more gradient designs. Now another trick is to change it from linear to radial. So we've been using the linear from the beginning. So change it to radial and you can create more designs with the radial as well. You can also change it from radial to the angle type, and this one kind of gives you some sort of lines, so you can also use that for a different design for your gradient. You can as well use the reflected type and it also gives you a different design. All of them give you different designs. And finally, you can use the diamond type to create more gradients. So if you want to start afresh, you can simply just click on the eye and create a new layer and go over the same process again. So with this, your choices for gradient backgrounds are simply unlimited. You can create numerous backgrounds for your wallpapers, poster backgrounds, or even website backgrounds. The choices are just unlimited. Now, I recommend you check out this video next if you want to learn how to create custom backgrounds in Photoshop without using the gradient format. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials. Keep creating and I'll see you in my next video.